Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your account of ChatGPT. Stick with me till the end and let's get this video started. You can either create an account using its website or you can also download the application onto your mobile phones. If you're using the website, open up a web browser, simply search for chat.openai.com and it will take you to this page. You can either log in or sign up to ChatGPT. Click on the sign up option. Now from this page, you'll firstly need to type in the email address that you want to use, or you can also continue using your Google or your Microsoft account. After you type in your username, now you can click on I'm not a robot and verify yourself. And then click on continue. In the next page, you can now type in your password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long, and to reveal your password, you can click on this eye icon. After that is done, now you can click on continue. Now the last thing before you use it is you'll need to confirm your email address. So click on open Gmail. After you open up the email, simply click on the verify email address. Now type in your name and then click on continue. You also need to enter in your mobile number. So select your country code here and then type in your mobile number and click on send code. Now a code will be sent to the mobile number that you've just entered. You will need to enter the code here. And there you have it. You have successfully created your account of ChatGPT. If you also want to learn how you can use it, make sure you watch other videos on our channel. And that's pretty much it for today, and I'll be back with more. Thanks for watching.